Well, here we are. I've got most of the back section done. Rear seat belt cleaned and put back in. It's soaking for 24 hours. Some detergent, and I tell you though, water was black. What we've done here is made a pocket for the seat belt to go into. Keep all that dirt and moisture out and maintain a nice seal, and all the gaps again filled in with the adhesive sealant, just to make sure that we do have a positive dust seal and moisture seal. That little clip there is for the wiring. I'm not doing that, I've got more wires to run yet before I seal it up. As in the doors around the wiring, I've put the sealer around it so we've got a positive seal. And, yeah, bit of a patchwork up underneath there, but you're not going to see it, and it's just all the scrap bits I've been using to fill excuse me, to fill in the gaps. Anything's better than nothing. I mean, you've got the tar there, so where the tar wasn't, I've put the other stuff on this side and the gap underneath. Just a bit of sealer on those so that stops us from rattling. But, yeah, just pop down in there, and again, just there for a bit of sound deadening. I might even put some felt over the top of that again, just to make sure we don't get any more road noise. I'll pop this in and move on to the next one. Do the front ones.